Okay, here's my new garden with my bucket reservoir. The water flows through that timer and drips onto my shiso and drips through this hose into my green onions. And then here's my worm bin. Just set it up yesterday, haven't opened it since. Let's see. Lots of moisture coming off the top. You can see there's my latest, the watermelon rinds with some granite eggshells on there. Now we're gonna pull this open here and see what we got inside. Okay, we gotta check the bottom one to see the most interesting part. Let's see here. We got 4 bins here. And hopefully we're gonna find some real good action on the bottom one. Yeah, look at that. You can see the worms crawling around. We definitely got some flies. We got some maggots. But the worms are crawling. And the idea is that they're gonna eat up the stuff on the bottom first and work their way up. That's the principle of the worms, as I've been told. So we'll see how this goes. Let's see how this one's looking. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We got a couple big guys right there. Looks like it's working very well so far. Nothing we can see here, but yeah, you can look at that. You can see all the worms underneath. All right, I am very hopeful that this setup is going to work out very well. And we just close it all up here. And there we go. That's the setup.